All MopTop Wash Day, Take 2. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I am showing you an all MopTop one brand wash day one more time. Actually, I really do love these products a lot, so you'll probably be seeing them again. Anyway, I did an all one brand wash day with MopTop a little while back, and to be honest, that wash day just didn't turn out as glorious as I had hoped. And I know these products are absolutely fantastic. So I asked y'all in that video if y'all would be interested in seeing me try out these products again. And a lot of y'all were, so here we are. And thank you to everyone who recommended that I try the Salon Anti-Frizz gel from MopTop versus their regular medium hold gel. I did pick that up, and oh my goodness, I have tried that out several times, and well, you'll just have to see. Let's go ahead and get to washing my hair.
Hey there, guys. I am so looking forward to washing my hair in these clips because, oof, I was on day 4 hair, wildly stretched out, all waves, all curls, nearly completely gone. Most certainly time to wash my hair, and I was like really excited to use these MopTop products on this particular day. I'm going in with the MopTop Salon Gentle Shampoo. It's the lavender mint. I have really been liking this. The mint is kind of cooling and soothing. For my fine hair that is very prone to product buildup, it is absolutely perfect for me. I have really been loving these MopTop products in the colder weather. My hair is just saying thank you. Thank you for MopTop during fall and cooler temperatures. Now I'm going in with one of my all-time favorite products. It is the MopTop Daily Conditioner. It has the bamboo fragrance, and I'm not going to lie, when I read that that was the fragrance, like that's the scent, I wasn't sure what bamboo smelled like. And it's really hard to describe, but it's very sweet. It's not floral. I love the smell. It's amazing. Now I'm going in with my perfect hair care brush. I really didn't need this brush to distribute the conditioner or detangle my hair because this conditioner just like melts into my hair as soon as I put it in. But I went ahead and did it for the sake of double checking that there was super even conditioner distribution on every hair on my head. And I added a little bit of water to the back of my head so that I could do a really good, thorough squish to condition, especially in these colder temperatures and the air being drier. Really taking a few extra minutes to squish to condition, to really pulse that conditioner and water into your hair is extremely helpful. It helps keep your hair hydrated and balanced and happy. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and just rinse all that conditioner out because this conditioner is a rinse out conditioner. It is not a leave-in, and I'm really rubbing the pads of my fingers right there in the front of my head because that spot on me tends to get super greasy, and I find that when I just spend some extra time making sure that all the conditioner's out, that's good for me. Keeps that part from getting greasy. Now I'm going in with the MopTop Custard, the infamous, famous MopTop Custard. I'm using about that much. If I had to guess, I would say it's about half a teaspoon to maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon. It's not just a whole ton of product. And here you can see I'm really getting my fingers in and lifting the hair off the back of my head and then adding a little bit of water back in. This is crucial for me to get the back of my head from being wonky and weird. I have to get those curl clumps, the hair unstuck from the back of my head. And then when I unstick it, it gets super stringy. But when I add the water back in and then squish the product in, That's how I get the curl clumps. It's weird, I know. Now I'm going in with my Perfect Hair Care brush, and you can see that when I run it along my roots like that, it gives me a part. So that's a way that I style my hair upside down and get a really straight part. Now I'm just continuing to finish squishing in that custard. I just take my time when I do this, and I keep squishing and pulsing products into my hair until I don't feel them anymore, where my hair has absorbed all the product that it wants. That has been really helpful to me. Now I'm going in with the Salon Anti-Frizz gel, using about that much. If I had to guess, I'm going to say it's about the same amount of custard that I grabbed, maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon of product. And now I'm just smoothing that over and roping it in and squishing and pulsing it into my hair. And I'm just taking my time here as I'm doing that. And as you can see, there's lots of activity in the background. This was in the morning, lots going on, busy morning. Now I'm just getting a tiny bit more product and really focusing, applying this product in the back of my hair, really turning my hair from side to side to keep those curl clumps from getting stuck to the back of my head, and making sure I'm getting enough product back there. I find that when I don't get enough product in the back of my head, I have no definition back there. Just doing a little bit more pulsing and squishing to make sure that that product gets thoroughly absorbed into my hair, and feeling pretty good about these results. I was sitting there looking at my curl clumps as I was doing this, and they were just coming together so well on this day. I was thrilled.
Okay, so I diffused for my usual amount of time, and in my usual type of routine, if you're curious how I diffuse my hair, go ahead and check out this video. And I always diffuse to about 90% dry and then let my hair finish air drying the rest of the way. So now I'm just checking my hair. It feels dry. And now I'm ready to scrunch out the crunch, which is the best part of wash day. So I'm just gonna take out this little jaw clip. Can't really, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, if I hold it up against the black background. There we go. It's just a little jaw clip. I use it to clip my cowlick shut because I can't clip like a normal curly girl. I just clip my cowlick shut and part my hair the wrong way. And then when I flip my hair back the other way, I have volume. I hope that makes sense. I'm not awake. I need more coffee. Let's crunch out this crunch. This is where your hair goes from looking a little bit stringy to looking soft and pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the way the MopTop products make my hair feel. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so soft and silky, yet lightweight and bouncy. That's like I want my hair to feel. And they smell good too. All right, let's find my part. There we go. And I always take my hair and kind of fluff it back away from my face in an effort to help it settle back with volume instead of forward, touching my nose or any part of my face, which I really can't stand. All right, so here's my hair right now. Let me show you the back. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I show you turning around, because like I'm about to turn around. All right, I did it again. I'm going to show you the back of my hair now. Okay, and we'll see how this wash day holds up I'll see you in a minute. All right, so I totally went ahead and took my hair out of the pineapple already and have let it settle. I forgot to do that here on camera. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. But here is my day 2 hair with the MopTop products. I will go ahead and turn around and show you the back. There I am again with my hand. All right. Oh, and in case you're noticing my fun little red streak underneath my hair, my little peekaboo of red, pink, purple, whatever you want to call that, I was testing out some temporary hair dye, and it's a lot of fun. I love the natural color of my hair, but sometimes I get this itch to change my hair color, but I don't want to damage my hair now. I've come too far for that. I also really love my natural color, so I don't want to commit to a whole new hair color just to try and dye it back. Anyway, so the idea of a temporary hair dye is very intriguing, and that's what I'm doing here, just playing around with the temporary hair dye. All right, so let's talk about these MopTop products. Guys, I just love the way my hair feels right now. It is so lightweight and shiny and frizz-free, and it still smells good, which is fantastic. The smell of these products is not nearly as powerful as the Less products, and my hair is still relatively tangle-free, which just blows my mind because my hair is incredibly prone to tangles, and I notice every time I use these MopTop products, my hair is less tangly. These products have been staples for me the entire time I have been doing the Curly Girl method, and I'm always very happy with my results, and this wash day in particular was quite epic. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be around for some more videos. We have a whole lot of fun over here on this channel learning about curly wavy hair. I really enjoy getting to hang out with y'all in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and it lets me know that the content was helpful. Also, let me know in the comments down below. Are you interested in seeing a whole video on temporary hair dye, or is that just not something that's interesting to you? Because if it's not, I totally understand. Alright guys, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!